Hi guys, Sarah here, and today we're working on a 3-foot by 2-foot canvas. The colors I'm going to be using are Golden's Quinacridone Nickle Azo Gold. I also have Golden's Jenkins Green, beautiful color. This one is Golden's Green Gold. I have Phtalo Turqouis by Golden. And this color is Indigo by Da Vinci. And I'm really loving this color. My dad gave it to me for Christmas. And then this is Iridescent Gold Fine with a little bit of 24K in there. And I'm gonna move these out of the way. And what else? And then I have, good Lord, what's this called? Okay, this is Rust-Oleum's Metallic Accents in Seashell. It's a super pretty color, very close to Golden's Iridescent Pearl. So we are going to be using those colors. We're also going to be using how we're going to pour it. I'm going to do a base coat, and then on top of all of that, we are going to use this contraption to pour with. And I love these. I've used them a few times, but these are actually popsicle molds, and this is a stand that holds them upright until I'm ready to use them. So that is what we're going to be using today. All right, so let it get down to business. Okay. So my colors, like I said, let's start by layering one of the cups. I'm going to use a little of my white in each one. Actually, to start, just 2 of them. And then I'm going to come in with that. And we'll do some of the gold, then Nickle Azo Gold, and let's come in with some of my base coat, which I don't mind if it's gotten on the canvas. So we're gonna do gold, because I don't want it to, and some of that. Right here. I am working with Molly's Artistry canvas stands right now, so that I don't have to worry about any push pins. It's super convenient, especially when I work with larger canvases on the table. You can certainly check out her site for her stands. And the paint, it's great because the paint peels right off of them. All right. We're just gonna move all this over so it flows. think I'm gonna leave the rest of this. Actually, I'll put a little here. And then we're gonna save the rest. All right, and we have here, which one shall we, let's do this one. They pop right out of the bottoms, and we are just to I'm gonna start this one right here. I think we're gonna have to do a few more. Definitely want to use more of that Nickle Azo Gold. All right. So let's get some more in here. Actually, I'm just gonna do this here. Really love what's going on. All right, so we're gonna do a couple more puddles. I love what's going on here, and I hope it continues to look happy. Okay, ooh, I love it. I think I'm gonna put this turquoise up and over here. And I think my last one I'm gonna actually put over here because it has a little more cunad in there, and I want to bring a little more vibrancy to this corner. All right, now there is a lot on this canvas, but that's okay because we're gonna move this around and it's really going to change things up. All right. and we are going to start tilting. And come this way. Now, I'm not certain I want it all over the canvas, the colors, but I know I definitely, I don't know why I'm holding this either. I definitely want a bit of negative space. You do want it to roll over there. I'll bring this down because I want to wake it up. Let's see where I'm at. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna bring this off over here. Let me come over on this side. I need to go this way a bit, and then this way. I like this area here, so I want to salvage that. So I think what I want to do is go off over there. Okay. All right, here it is. I'm loving the details. I love how this all looks smoky-like. And look at all of this in here. Super happy with these results. I can't wait to see this piece dry. And you can see all these beautiful lines in this piece. And then I have some cells up here as well. There's no satin enamel in this mix of mine, the white mix. But yeah, looking forward to being able to release that information. Just doing a little more testing and go from there. This piece has been varnished over here and it will be shipping out. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.